I want to use this very interesting pan to make something interesting. Isn't it nice to use such a nice pan? Look at that. Till I love it there and get it up. Till you got the feeling that I want. That will do. I hope it does. Oh, that's a lot. Gonna put some of this in there. Wow. You can use actually this big one. Let's see the spatula. Sugar, yes please. This is what I was doing, and gonna go in. It's preheated at back. It's hot. Ouch. Okay, it goes in. It is at 380. I'll probably take it higher, and it's on back. Make sure it's on back, and then make it higher, and then go. Oh my God, it's risen like duh. Okay. We can air fry the cake. Bruh, that's amazing. Amazing. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it's ready. No, it's not. So what happened? I don't know. We need a knife. Still wet. Okay, what we're gonna do is turn it around, put it back. Sounds like a plan. We are perfecting this cake. Okay. Turn it up. It's gonna be on bake. Yep. And then we're gonna increase the heat and then start. Voila. Time check. It is back. I'm sure it's ready. Give me my knife. This I used, but I'm gonna use again. How are we doing? I think I should leave it in here. I should. You know what? Is it? We put more butter on it. We let it enjoy the butter. You know what? Why not? There is not enough butter. You can have as much as you'd like. There's no butter meter. Okay. It is what it is. It is buttery. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go through with the knife. I am sure this is it. What do you think? Are you sure this is it? I am sure this is it. Yeah. We can't keep doing that. Oh boy. Should probably cut it from there. Your baking skills. Amen.